What's good, guys? So today I'm going to show you an amazing, intense 5-minute workout that we're going to hit the core in all angles. So guys, let's jump right into it. Welcome to the RB Effect. Like that? Yeah? Good. Damn! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Reggie B. So guys, if you're looking to get the six-pack of your dreams, this is the video to focus on, because I'm gonna focus on every single angle to hit the core from the top, middle, bottom, and obliques. So I'm gonna pick out 10 exercises for 5 minutes straight without any breaks. So guys, let's jump right into this video. If you have to take a break, take a second and jump right into it. So guys, you ready? Let's get it. All right, guys, first exercise, long strides, flutters, 30 seconds. Let's go. Remember, when we're focusing on core, you want to keep your core tight at all times. Focus on that breathing. Your breathing helps. You don't want to just, for each stride and certain part that you use for different exercises, the exhaling definitely helps. All right, guys, reach crunches. So when I'm reaching as far as probably the ankle. So this is working out side obliques. This is how it looks. Russian twist. That's what you want to remember. To turn. Don't want to just use the hands. And keep good form. Remember, bad form is pointless, especially if you're looking for gains. Alright, guys, toe touches. So you want to keep all the way up, all the way down. Let's go, guys. Stop for a second. Jump right back into it. Let's go, guys. Reach. Reverse crunches. Keep that core nice and tight, guys. See, I'm focused on squeeze, exhale. I'm gonna do a leg raise and flutter, so we can go all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down. Let that squeeze, guys. Let those obliques stretch. Plank knee to elbows. So you guys, you want to let those elbows touch. So this is how it looks from the side. Scissors. Keep going, guys. Remember, if you're looking to build your core, you have to stay consistent. You gotta hit core at all angles. V-ups. Down here. I'm right back into it. Last one, guys. Plank out, out, and in. Let's go, guys. Almost done. There you have it, guys. So if you're looking to get a nice solid core, you have to focus on all angles. So you have to pick out exercises specifically for the top, middle, bottom, and obliques, and attack it as you would do cardio. If you want that fat to burn off, you have to do abs like if you're doing cardio, which means it's back to back, no breaks. Also, guys, this routine, you can do more than one round. You just see how I did here. I did 5 minutes. So you want to do 5 minutes, take a break, maybe a minute or two, do another round for 5 minutes. That's how you're gonna build that core, by constantly staying consistent and attacking it hardcore. So guys, remember, also, don't forget to hit that notification button so you know my next video comes out. It's your boy Reggie B. Like my video, subscribe to my video so your boy can be back. And if you do that, I'll be real proud of you. Metamorphosis complete.